Anyone can start making money as an Amazon affiliate. You're essentially just promoting someone else's product, and in return, you earn a commission on any purchase made through a custom referral link. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this video. Today, we're going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners. Make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. Share this video with anyone you know and join us on this financial independence journey. All right, back to the video. I don't know why I did that because I'm going to be staying in the same place, so there's no need for a hand in the camera transition. Anyway, you don't need any sales or marketing skills to do any of this. What makes Amazon stand above other affiliate services like ClickBank is that since it is a trusted household name, generating cold leads is so much easier. And cold leads, by the way, are just people that initially had no remote interest of buying your product or service. They've never heard of your business before, so they're a bit skeptical. In contrast to warm leads, which are people who have heard about your product, service, or business, or at least remembers them, so that when they see an ad or they just see the name pop up again, they have that familiarity. So what I'm trying to say is that Amazon links have a much higher conversion rate. And here's the real beauty, guys. Take a seat for this and just listen very closely. This is gonna be good. I didn't even know about this until recently, and I've been using the Amazon affiliate program for ages. But let's say you're making a YouTube review about this nice studio quality USB microphone that's only $100 on Amazon. Link in the description. Viewers like the sound and they like the reviews, and they click the affiliate link in the description. They're taken to Amazon.com, but then they remember that they actually wanted to buy a whole bunch of other things. Whether it be, I don't know, toilet paper, or this nice whiteboard I have here, kitchen supplies, books, headphones, nice webcam, a keyboard, a mouse, whatever. Once someone clicks on that link, you receive a commission on any and everything they buy on Amazon for the next 24 hours. Initially, I thought, and maybe most of you thought, that it had to be a specific link that links to that specific product. But no, my friends. Any purchase over the next 24 hours after clicking that link, the chances of you earning commissions are just like skyrocketed. And that should give you more incentive to, create this as a great passive form of passive income. And commissions vary between 1% and 9%. It depends on the product and whatever, all these other factors that play in. How do you get started? Simple. Video reviews on YouTube. People like to see visuals and applied use of the products. Even if you're a small channel that has like 10 subscribers and you do an unboxing and review of a niche product, you're gonna get views, at least 100, maybe a few thousand, because people are always searching up reviews about these things because they're putting their money in this thing for the first time. They want to make sure they don't have to buy a bad product that they regret buying and then having to go through all the process of getting a refund and returning. They just want it to be this time. So when people research these things, they want to make sure, so they're going to probably watch a few videos about the same product that they want to purchase. That's what I do all the time, and blogs can do just as well. Link it in the description of the video or plug it in at the end of the blog. But remember not to chill out. Be accountable and be honest with yourself and with others. Don't just, promote any product left and right that you happen to come across on Amazon with like 1-star reviews and terrible feedback from the customers because you just want to get a good commission out of it. Just be honest about and sincere about the products that you want to promote. Look at, products for stuff that you use on a daily basis or things that you're passionate about and just advertise those. And it's that simple. That's a great way to get started. But this is how it becomes real passive. Listen, I said it was getting good a few minutes ago, but now this gets even better. Say you upload a video about an expensive DSLR camera, because man, DSLR cameras can be expensive. We're talking a few thousands of dollars for mid-range to high-range digital cameras. This video gets thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of views. And maybe 10 people end up buying the camera through your link. Your video or blog is going to keep accumulating views and reads indefinitely until you take down the video or the blog post, which no one in their right mind would ever do. It's going to stay on there. And that applies to any YouTube video or blog post or anything on the internet. It's just going to keep accumulating views and views and views. And that's why all these big YouTubers post one video in their sleep, they're still generating ad revenue from the clicks. Quite an amazing thing Monetize YouTube is. You won't have to do a thing after you hit that upload button or post button initially for the video or blog that probably took only a few hours to make respectively. A few hours of your time, and then you have like this thing that just infinitely generates money. If you're monetized on YouTube, you get the ad revenue, and now you're getting the affiliate commissions. That's two things for the price of one. I've created about 3 store pages on Amazon, and they're really easy to make, with affiliate links in the description in every last one of my videos. There's a finance and personal development page, there's a video setup page, and a streaming/gaming gear page. I've started to get into reading books about wealth and personal development and health to improve and grow my mind. You know, the whole investing in yourself thing. But no, in all seriousness, I read these books about, developing your mind and body, finance, stocks, and investing in general, generate passive income, financial freedom. I want to share them with all of you. So I've created a page dedicated to that along with the other 2. So if anyone is curious about what I use to create my videos and where I bought it from, it's all there. If anyone out there wants to build their own computer like I did a few years ago and needs peripherals to play or stream in their free time, it's there as well. And when you purchase those, you will be supporting the channel. And if you choose products that are different from them, you will still be supporting the channel over the course of 24 hours. So regardless of whether you buy any of those things or not, if you buy something else anytime after you click my link, I will still earn a commission. And the same applies for you. If you decide to create an Amazon affiliate account and you have a YouTube channel or a blog post or a newsletter or email marketing campaign, just remind your following or subscribers that at the end or wherever you put the affiliate link, you can click it and tell them any purchases over the course of 24 hours that they make. It doesn't have to be the product. We'll be supporting you. So go on Amazon.affiliates.com or whatever. I'll link it in the description because I forgot the actual link. Create your account, put in all your credentials, and start monetizing your passions. And that's just about it for this video. If you guys learned something today, please do leave a like. That will let me know that you enjoyed the video. And you can go one step further, comment and share the video with others you know who might need some information about the topic. Or maybe this is information that they never knew that they needed. So share it to them as well. Guys, also, we're trying to grow this channel, try to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it's feasible. So hit that subscribe button, post notifications so that you don't miss a video in the future. Thanks for joining the family in advance. Happy investing. Guys, make sure to stay safe and stay indoors if you can. If you can, wash your hands, practice social distancing, and I will catch you guys later in the next video. Go out there, start generating passive income.